that buzz? That's not danger, that's potential. Electric soul, mechanical mind, voltage in my veins.
Yeah, I walk past wires that hum like thoughts, energy and motion, that's the power I caught. No plug, just flow, pure source inside. I connect with the world, I electrify. I've seen storms, high volts in my sky, but even thunder got rhythm, it don't lie. Every current I meet got a path of a choice, so I tune to the frequency, that's my voice.
System charging,
Power rising,
flow detecting,
transformation,
activation,
active
active voltage bang.
Voltage in my veins, charge never fades from the pole to the brain. That's how I'm made. Step down stress, step up grind. Transform a flow, rewire my mind. Resistance high, but I push that line. Power surge hit, yeah, I redefine. Static in my thoughts, I clear that noise. Electric faith, I amplify choice. My life's a circuit, but I won't short. Every failure rewired, that's growth in sport. I channel my force like a motor coil. Turn pain to power, I don't spoil. Watts in my walk, volts in my tone. I built my grid, I made it my own. Low pitch in my veins, I'm alive in the rain. Every spark I feel rewires my brain. Flow don't break, I sustain my flame. Power from the pain, that's how I came. Voltage in my veins, you can hear my name. No blackout here, I became the game. Current in motion, I can't be tamed. From light to sound, that's my domain. Voltage in my veins, you can hear my name. No blackout here, I became the game. Current in motion, I can't be tamed. From light to sound, that's my domain. They say stay grounded, yeah I agree, but don't forget your potential energy. Transform your pain, ignite your gain. Keep that voltage flowing through your brain. Yeah. I'm the light in the wire, the storm in control. Physics ain't just numbers, it's soul. Voltage in my school energy, physics in the building, player mode activated. Let's go. I'm in the lab like Franklin and Lamar, cooking up equations while I'm tuning my car. Newton in my headset talking about mass. F equals my, that's how I move fast. Gravity's the boss, but I'm breaking the stage. Jumping over limits like I'm out of the cage. Einstein with the math, relativity flow. Time been slow when my energy glow. Charge up my mic like Tesla's dream. Electric currents run through the team. I ain't talking magic, just field and force. Science on beat, that's my main course.
This ain't luck, it's law in motion. Every action got devotion. Game of brain in full explosion. Physics runs the world in motion. This ain't luck, it's law in motion. Every action got devotion. Game of brain in full explosion. Physics runs the world in motion.
Velocity stack, my flow accelerate. Momentum locked in, no time to hesitate. I collide with beats like particles do. Conservation of energy, I'm brand new. Black cold bars, I absorb the light. Spitting out truths in the dead of night. Quantum mode on, I change my state. Superposition when I navigate. Heat rises when I drop these lines. Thermo rules, setting my rhymes. Entropy builds, but I keep control. Knowledge is the fuel that empowers the soul.
This ain't luck, it's law in motion. Every action got devotion. Game of brain in full explosion. Physics runs the world in motion. This ain't luck, it's law in motion. Every action got devotion. Game of brain in full explosion. Physics runs the world's in motion. Yo, remember that jump in San Andreas air? That's 9.8 pulling you down, beware. Even CJ know the rule of the land. You can't beat physics, better understand. Lasers cut beats, frequency tight. Sound waves travel, that's how we ignite. I speak in vectors, not in lies. Trajectory set to reach the skies. Mass in my words can't stop the flow. I'm the gamer professor on this radio show. Turn up your mind, forget the scroll. It's physics and rhythm, it's truth. This ain't luck, it's law in motion. Every action got devotion. Game of brain in full explosion. Physics runs the world's in motion. This ain't luck, it's law in motion. Every action got devotion. Game of brain in full explosion. Physics runs the world's in motion. It's physics, baby. The laws don't lie. From the atom to the stars we multiply. No magic, just math and reason why. Every motion got a meaning. That's how we fly.
System equations loading, intelligence compiling.
They talk about AI like it's born from code, but behind the numbers is a deeper mode. It's math that builds the vision and the flow. Functions and formulas, that's how we grow. Vectors in motion, probability lines. Calculus drives how the data aligns. Neurons connect through weighted design. It's not just science, it's math in the spine. Matrix of logic, geometry of thought. Every move predicted, every pattern caught. From algebra roots to neural domain. Every bit of AI got math in its vein. Mathematics made the machine. Logic turned to energy unseen. From chaos to clarity, code to dream. Numbers gave birth to the AI stream. Mathematics made the machine. Formula breathes, the system gleams. It's not magic, it's calculated scheme. Math built the mind. Supreme. No emotion, just the logic clean. Derivatives trace where the truth has been. Statistical mind, precision supreme. Learning through loss, that's the regime. Back propagation through layers deep. Errors reduced while the data sleeps. Patterns evolve, predictions stay mean. That's not chance, it's the math unseen. Geometry builds the world we scan. From pixels to points, that's the plan. AI, dreams and numbers tone. Math's the heart, the brain, the bone.
Without algebra,
no structure.
without calculus, no motion,
Without probability,
no prediction,
without math,
there's no intelligence.
Mathematics made the machine. Once it built the dream. Mathematics made the machine. Equations flow like a living stream. The power, the logic, the in-between. That's math, unseen dream. Mathematics, that seem dream. Mathematics, unseen dream.
System shell, logic,
Microscopic army working in sync. Aliens underground inside the chip. Welcome to the transistor's grip. Tiny switch, but it changed the globe. Silicone hard in every node. From old vacuum tubes to a modern code. Transistors, the spark that lit this road. Two states, on or off, that's the law. Binary talk, pure digital raw. Base, emitter, collector line. Current control, it control. That's design. Amplify signals, boost that tone. Every beat of your phone is grown. From radios to rockets high. Transistors, the reason they fly.
Billions deep in a silicon land. Every bit moves at your command. From sound to thought, they all expand. Transistors built this world by hand. Billions deep in electric sand. Tiny understand. Switch by switch, they make it grand. Transistors rule this cyberland. They don't think they react to flow. Current up high, that's your goal. No voltage, silence, zero mode. That's how logic's fully code. Those stack them tight, millions on die. In every CPU they amplify. Each gate's a soldier, clocking time. Making math, making rhyme. Powering phones, cars, satellites. Transistors that spark the lights. They amplify dreams in analog waves and compute your thoughts in digital caves. Without them, no sound, no AI, no code, no brain in machine, no digital road. They're the atoms of the new creation, the core of every computation. Silicon deep in a silicon land. Every bit moves at your command. From sound to thought, they all expand. Transistors built this world by hand. Billions deep in electric sand. Tiny giants that understand. Switch by switch, they make it grand. Transistors rule this cyberland. No transistors, nowhere. No. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Boom, boom. Take it, take it. Boom, 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 boom. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Boom, boom. Like, boom, boom. Microscopic army working in sync.
You don't see them, but they build your life.
G.
You don't see the G mic. They don't feel.
Build your life.
Electric bust.
Processor hot. Condition limit.
Exceeded.
You want to speed. Now you feel the heat. Wake up, check stats, brain online. Inbox for the deadlines align. AI writes fast, but I still fail. Human heart in a digital jail. Algorithm dreams while I chase mine. Can't match code, it's too divine. I scroll, compare, try to outshine. But machines don't break, I cross the line. Thoughts looping like a CPU thread. Rest at night, I reboot instead. Energy low, caffeine high. Even robots crash when they try.
Hey, I got no pain, but I got soul. I move too fast and lose control. Can't outthink code, it takes its toll. AI runs smooth, but I'm not whole.
Hey, I got speed, but I got scars. They shine bright like dying stars. I built the code, but lost my art. Now burn out lives inside my heart. Hey, I got speed, but I got scars. They shine bright like dying stars. I built the code, but lost my art. Now burn out lives inside my heart. They said AI helps, yeah, till it runs your brain now. Every thought's a data chain. Predict my words, design my tone. I used to feel time, now it's frames. Each second sliced by machine names. Focus gone, attention taxed. I'm the update that never relax. Synapses tied, dopamine fried. Yet I still grind, dead inside. I teach the bots, but they don't sleep. They learn my pain, then count it deep.
Human system overload. Detected, recommend. Disconnect. Reboot the soul. Error code, empathy missing. Hey, I got no pain, but I got soul. I move too fast and lose control. Can't outthink code, it takes its toll. AI runs smooth, but I'm not whole.
No heart in the cold, just heat in the cold. No heart in the cold, just heat in the cold.
System cooling, processor stable. Human presence restored. Remember Even code needs rest. Remember, even code needs rest.
Nem szeretem a fizikát. Oké. De ha az agyam egy izom, edzem nem mencest. Rendszer, fókusz, belégzés, kilégzés.
Súlyos a könyv, mint pláta a rúdon. Oldalak, hegyek, de lépek az úton. Erő, tömeg, gyorsulás, FBI, egy tolás, egy lépés, a képlet halad. Busz gyorsít, érzem a testemen. Inercia mondja, maradj még velem. Vektor a fejben, nyíl a papíron. Irány és nagyság, tisztán, pontosan. Egy oldal ma, holnap még kettő. Nem sprint a tudás, maraton testvér. Stop a scrollnak, 10 perc csend. Gondolat, rút, padlót, ver majd fent. Hiba, nem baj, jegyzem, javít. Agyban a minta, lassan népít.
Egy képlet, egy példa, egy lépés. Lassan, biztosan, ez a mentés.
Edzem az agyam, mint vas a teremben. Fizika könyv, ma nem az ellenfelem. Nem kell szeretnem, csak megértenem. Törvény a fejben, holnap már edzem. Edzem az agyam, mint vas a teremben. Fizika könyv, ma nem az ellenfelem. Nem kell szeretnem, csak megértenem. Törvény a fejben, holnap már érzem. Áram és feszültség, GUE-ire. Romszava egyszerű, mégis mit ér? Sorba köt, párhuzam szét. Ellenállás, táncol, számolja lét. Mágneses tér, láthatatlan híd. Vonalak rajzolnak, látható ritmust itt. Kirchhoff, suttó, körzár, áram megy. Miért rajzol, jegyez ez a fegyvered. Kérdést, rábrá, képlet, check. Mérték, egység, stimmel, na ez a next. 10 perc blokk, rövid pihenő. Ismétlést oldja be, lesz tartós erő. Nem tetszik, oké, de szokás nő. A szokás viszállt, a kétségen híd elő. Nem kell varázs, csak tiszta fej. Az egyszerű igaz, mindig hely. Input, kitartás, output. Megértés. Process, lépésről lépésre. Fegyelmezés. Edzem az agyam, mint vas a teremben. Fizika könyv, ma nem az ellenfelem. Nem kell szeretnem, csak megértenem. Törvény a fejben, holnap már érzem. Edzem az agyam, mint vas a teremben. Fizika könyv, ma nem az ellenfelem. Nem kell szeretnem, csak megértenem. Törvény a fejben, holnap már érzem. Hullám a vízen, hullám a hang. Frekvencia szól a ritmusban. Fény se kér közeg, vákuum út. Sebessége állandó, ez a múlt. Jövő csúcspont, Doppler kék, ha felém jön. Piros távolban, értem nem bűvöl. Rezonancia, ha egyez a szív. Kis ingerből nagy válasz hív. Quantum a csendben, ugrik egyet. He, fényvíz üzenetet. És mikor elfárad a hétfő est. Éjjel szürkote, energiatest. Nem csak a jegy, a gondolatrend. Lépések, logika, stabil trend. Definíció, képlet, becslés, számolás, egység, ellenőrzés. Edzem az agyam, mint vas a teremben. Fizika könyv, ma nem az ellenfelem. Nem kell szeretnem, csak megértenem. Törvény a fejben, holnap már érzem. Edzem az agyam, lépésről lépés. Káoszból rend, képlet a vésőm. Ha jön a vizsga, nem futok el. Értem a világot, s ez visz közelebb. Nem kell szeretnem, elég ha értem. Holnap könnyebb lesz, mert ma tettem.
System. Voltage detected. Neural flow connected. Power rising. Initiated transformation.
Every line I drop got current behind. Energy surge straight into your mind. I don't talk small volts, I'm full grid alive. Got the spark of a storm when I rhyme. Static in the brain, I clear that code. Magnet in the field, I control that mode. Coil in my heart, keep the torque in control. Turning every breakdown into pure gold.
charge up, circuits awake, no shutdown, no luck, power lines buzz, voltage in my blood, drop incoming, brace for the flood. Electrify me, 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 electrify me.
I'm the current, running underground. Shockwave soul when I break new ground. No resistor can block my vibe. Transform pain, that's how I survive. Amp my will, I don't fade or trip. Charge my mind, I don't lose my grip. Voltage rise, yeah, I make that flip. Flow XA, no script, no skip. No tip, no tip, no tip, 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 tip.
Electrify me, electrify me, electrify me, electrify me, electrify me, electrify me, electrify me,
Electrify me. Feed that storm. I'm wired for chaos, but I stay in form. Charging my veins till the lights deform. Energy eternal, I transform.
dip, 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 dip. Electrify me, electrify me. Electrify me. Energy never dies. It just moves.
Equations awake. From lab to life, we escalate.
I move with Newton, push then go. F equals MI in the flow. Vectors in motion, name and size. Force finds direction when I rise. Energy's currency, never for free. Work overtime, that C equals P. Friction talks back, but I don't fold. I map the system, then I hold, yeah. Measure, model, test, or refine. Truth by design, not by timeline. Gravity keeps me grounded. Gradients make me climb. Physics maps the forces. AI learns the times we measure. Model, iterate, reduce the loss each try. From atoms up to galaxies, that's how we learn to fly. That's how we learn to fly. Waves in the silence, Fourier splits the sound. Signals to features, patterns are found. Maxwell in the ether, Wi-Fi in the air. Fields carry info like they always there. By ease with the update, doubt gets trimmed. Data means prior, choices get primed. Noise gets filtered, future gets guessed. We track, we predict, and act on the best. We test, we fail, we tune again. Back prop the paint, descend the game. Loss goes down inside blooms. From messy rooms to smarter rooms. Gravity keeps me grounded. Gradients make me climb. Physics maps the forces. AI learns the times we measure. Model, iterate, reduce the loss each try. From atoms up to galaxies, that's how we learn to fly. The meaning, vision online. Scans help doctors spot the sign. Safer roads, clean the grids. Fusion dreams, smarter bids. Telescopes learning night by night. Find new worlds by learning light. Not magic methods, step by step. Curiosity's the leading rep. Heavy gravity keeps me grounded. Gradients make me climb. Physics maps the forces. AI learns the time. Measure, model, iterate, reduce the loss each try. Turn the unknown into known and teach the world to fly. Ain't true.
all.